So we're here talking to Ray from R&J Interiors in Ocala, Florida. How you doing today, Ray?
Good. How you doing?
Good. How long have you been using Cabinet Vision?
About 8 years now.
How long have you been in business?
I've had this shop open for 5 years, but when I was a salesman for Kitchen Art and Design in Gainesville, I used Cabinet Vision with him.
Oh, wow. So you carried it out of a job situation to your own business?
Oh, yeah. Well, actually, that's where I started using it, was in Gainesville.
Gotcha.
With Mark, that's where I was introduced to it.
Uh-huh.
And I liked it so much, I mean, no other program comes even near it.
Now, how can you qualify that? Have you used other software?
Oh, yeah. I've used, am I allowed to say their names?
Absolutely.
2020, I've used KCDW. Numerous other ones, SketchUp Pro, TurboCAD, none of them. I mean, they say Cabinet Vision is user-friendly. That's without a doubt. I mean, you could learn Cabinet Vision very easy. It's very accurate, it's very precise. If you want simplicity, it's got it. If you want complexity, it's got that. So it's really covers the whole realm of anything you need. You want to operate a CNC, it'll do it.
Wow. Great. That's great information. I understand that you've had a couple of situations recently where clients have brought you drawings from
Yes.
what obviously was other software programs. And
Yes. It was kind of comical. They brought the drawing in, showed it to me, and that's the remodel they wanted to do. I mean, theoretically, all I could do was snicker when I saw the drawing. I was like, okay, I'll do a drawing for you and
no kidding.
give you a quote.
So you kind of knew right from the get-go, as soon as you saw the drawing from the competitor that was using a different product, that you were going to
Yes.
get the job?
Without a doubt.
You felt pretty comfortable about
I
that?
felt real comfortable about it.
Right.
Well, when a customer can see their project unfold in front of their face, it's like, how can you say the company doesn't know what they're doing?
Right. So a lot of the power comes from letting the customer see ahead of time what their finished product's going to look like.
Without doubt.
What do you do in a situation where there's a more technical client, like an architect or a builder that wants technical drawings?
Bring 'em on. I mean, I've had commercial jobs in restaurants where I had to do shop drawings.
Right.
Yeah, I have AutoCAD 2010.
Okay.
It's simpler for me to do a shop drawing in Cabinet Vision, and I can get the same results.
So you have two computers set up here.
Yes.
Okay. One computer's running AutoCAD?
One runs AutoCAD.
And the other one is running Cabinet Vision?
Cabinet Vision.
Okay. Tell me how you interface the two. You were sharing some information with me about that?
I could do a detailed, let's say if I want to draw a specific column.
Right.
Detailed column. I can draw it into AutoCAD, save it as a DXF, send it over to Cabinet Vision, will import a DXF. Now I have it in my library.
It's that easy?
That simple.
Were there any other products that you used to merge the output from their software into Cabinet Vision?
You have SketchUp Pro.
Right.
You can bring SketchUp Pro's programs into it.
Gotcha.
There's a lot still that I haven't even scratched the surface in
No
finding.
kidding. No kidding.
That's where their seminars, their training lessons come into play with it.
You recently upgraded to the 2011 version of Solid. What do you think?
Oh, it's awesome.
What were you using before that?
4.1.
So that was like 3 years old, and you skipped ahead like 3 or 4 versions, I guess, to get up to that?
Yes.
You like what we're doing?
Oh, without a doubt. I can't wait to see 2012.
Terrific. Terrific. Well, the good news is now we're coming out with 2 new products every year. As long as you maintain a subscription with the company, it's well worth it because you're getting like 2 new programs every single year.
Oh, believe me, the product is well worth it.
Great.
Well worth it. I mean, it has sold, as well as my showroom and other items. I mean, how I can show a customer their project, it sells it right straight off.
Terrific.
Without even questioning.
Terrific. So if you had to roll back to 5 years ago and do it all over again, what would you have done different, if anything?
Definitely bought Cabinet Vision. That wouldn't change. Nothing.
Nothing else. Just stick with what you know works.
Yeah, if it works, don't change it.
By the way, what happened to all those other products that you said you were using?
They're in the garbage. They're in the garbage. That's why I snicker when I see a lot of the drawings come over here.
Gotcha.
It's okay, fine. I'm not worried about that. I can draw it.
You manufacture your own moldings?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have an example of a molding profile?
This is one of our crown profiles.
Very cool. Now, how did that get integrated into your copy of Cabinet Vision?
Because I can scan it. You could draw it directly in Cabinet Vision on the profiles. But the way I did it was I scanned it on my printer, imported it into Cabinet Vision, just traced it, and it took it from there.
Cool.
Saved it, gave it a name, and the profile was there.
Have you ever done anything like that with other profiles that you created in AutoCAD?
Yes. Yes, I have.
How difficult was it to integrate those files with Cabinet Vision?
Just as simple as doing what I just did with the crown.
No kidding.
They're both very, very, very compatible together. Cabinet Vision does the same things AutoCAD does. The difference is AutoCAD is mainly used for large, tremendous projects.
Right.
Where if you have 15 acres of land and you want to develop it, that's where AutoCAD comes in.
Right.
But I would definitely put Cabinet Vision against AutoCAD in preciseness.
Right.
Because it is that precise.
Terrific. Okay, well, really appreciate your feedback and any suggestions for people who are comparing our product that we didn't talk about, maybe, our product with anything else that's out there?
Don't even think about the other products. Don't even think about them. If you can get Cabinet Vision, get it. Because you will not regret that. I haven't, and I never will.
Thanks, Ray.
Very welcome.
Really appreciate it.
Thank you for a great product.
You're welcome. Thank you.